Make a most powerful love jar. Clean the jar with any incense and then add some sugar for sweetening the relationship. After that, you will add honey. Honey is powerful for binding two persons together. Add some rose petals for love and passion. And at the end, you will add a cinnamon as a booster and for love. You're going to close the jar and seal the jar with a red candle. You're gonna seal it with a red wax, and after that you can carry it with yourself or put it next to your bed. Good luck and blessed be.